Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Nabeel Sheikh, and the topic of my project is: does the voltage of a battery affect the process of copper plating? The purpose of my project is to determine if using a used battery affects the process of copper plating. I hypothesize that the full 9-volt battery will have the best copper plating. On the other hand, the half-used 9-volt battery will work, but we will just have a toned-down version of the first one. The materials include vinegar, scissors, copper strips, quarters, tape, plastic cups, 9-volt battery clips, a marker, 9-volt batteries, and alligator clips. First, we have to add a mark of 2 inches on the cup. Then we fill it with vinegar up to the mark. After that, we add the copper strips onto the alligator clips. Once we are done that, we take some tape and write negative and positive on it and stick it on the cup. We then take our alligator clip and tape it on the negative and positive, that the copper strip is submerged under the vinegar. The next step is to take the 9-volt battery clip and put it on the 9-volt battery, and then take the other side of the alligator clip and clip it on the 9-volt battery clip's wire. And now I will do the same with the other cup. And now we wait for about 3 hours, or until the vinegar is greenish blue. Here I will be switching the negative alligator clip's copper strip with the quarters, but first I will clean them with alcohol wipes. And after that we will wait about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that 20 minutes have passed, I will be taking out the final result of the copper plating. This is the result of the half-used battery. This is the result of the full and new 9-volt battery. How does electroplating work? When the electric current is turned on, the positive copper ions from the copper strip and the negative nickel-plated steel ions from the quarter both are attracted to each other, thus exchanging ions and copper plating the quarter. This occurs because the ions of the copper strip travel through the vinegar to the quarter and deposit on it. For the variables and controls, I use the same amount of vinegar, and I am also using the same brand of copper strip and 9-volt battery. If I were to rate the copper plating of the new 9-volt battery, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best, I would rate it at 8 out of 10. Overall, the copper plating was good and well done. The rating I would give to the used 9-volt battery would be a 2 out of 10. This is because I think that the copper plating on it was very light and not apparent. In conclusion, the full 9-volt battery did have a better copper plating. There was more energy in the battery, making the copper plating exceptional. In the half-full battery, the copper plating was very poor. I thought it would have been better, but there was very limited copper plating on it. Therefore, the voltage of a battery does affect the process of copper plating.